Okay, since after nung Latapa car video ko, ang dami na nagharap sa akin ng after 9 PM. So here we are gonna review after 9 PM. And the question is it safe to blind buy? And is it worth it? Let's do it. Okay, so to explain the scent of AFNA 9 PM, it is a lavender, bergamot, apple, and cinnamon on the top note. While pag sa base note naman is it smells like a vanilla, tonka bean, amber, and patchouli. But to simple it down, since hindi nyo rin siya maamoy talaga one by one, it literally smells like a bubblegum. So if you're looking for that ultra male dupe na alam nyo na medyo mas malakas ang performance and longevity, then AFNA 9 PM is the best clone that you can ever find. I know there's Enigma Un and then Sukrat Silver, pero for me 9 PM is one of the best, if not the best clone of Ultramale. So how about the longevity and projection? So far, all I can say, the projection, it is a very loud projection type of fragrance. Napaka-loud niya in a sense na kahit na pumasok ka sa isang room na malaki, kapag pumasok ka doon after spraying this, is maaamoy nila sa buong room na yon. Ganon kalakas AFNA 9 PM. And then the longevity is nagtatagal siya sa'yo around 6 to 7 hours, depende siguro sa'yo, depende sa tao, and depende sa weather na paggagamitan mo. Anyways, the projection and longevity, it may depends on the person's skin chemistry, so it's kind of subjective. To summarize, it is a beast mode performance fragrance just like Ultramale. So saan nga ba siya magandang gamitin? So I always suggest to use sweet scents at night or cold weather, especially kapag pupunta ka sa isang lugar na alam mo may aircon, or sa mga gabi na alam mong malamig. So nangyayari kasi ngayon is ginagamit siya for everyday and for arawan, since maraming Ultramale na nakakalat dyan na inspired, and okay lang naman siguro basta wag kayo ma-expect na yung longevity and projection niya is magtatagal, since yun nga arawan and it is a sweet scent, and sweet scents do tend to be cloying when it comes to when exposed to the sunlight. So yun lang, pag pinawisan ka, don't expect too much on the longevity, and then wag ka rin mag-expect na ganun yung amoy niya compared to when used at night or compared to when used on a cold weather. So sa ang age group ko siya masasuggest ko siya sa mga teenagers and around lower 20s nila, since yun yung mas playful na age, and I think if you're gonna wear this, you will attract a lot of compliments. Marami kang makukuha compliments since it is a sweet scent nga, and girls do tend to like sweet scents, and yun nga, magugustuhan nila yun. May bubblegum ka, I like it. So yeah, that's gonna tend to happen eventually. Utang na loob, please wag nyong gamitin sa arawan, promise nakakahilo siya. Okay, so the question is it safe to blind buy? Is it worth to buy it? Definitely yes. It is a very yes to buy AFNA 9 PM if you're gonna use it at night. Pero if you're that person na gagamitin mo siya sa arawan, gagamitin mo siya sa mga panahon na school, ganon, gusto mo lang makaget ng compliment, then I'd just suggest you to buy a inspired fragrances. You can buy sa Enzo, Sexy Project, HSI Ultramale, yes. And then meron din sa Percent, meron din sa Treasure Sense, and any other inspired local brands. I think lahat sila meron na, since that's how good Ultramale is. Ganun siya kaganda, and I think nakuha niya yung panlasa ng Pinoy when it comes to a sweet scent. Ang problema nga lang kasi ngayon is no overuse siya, so medyo marami ka ng kagaya. So it became an NPC fragrance. But if you're just looking for a quality performance, quality juice, and literally smells like the Ultramale OG, then AFNA 9 PM is a very worth to blind buy, and definitely the best you can buy when it comes to that price. So how much is it? So dati nung binibili ko pa siya, it's around 1.5 with a voucher, pero ngayon naglalaro yung price range na from 1,800 pesos into 2,200 pesos. Anyways, you can check out the yellow basket here para madali kayo makahanap. You can also buy it here, medyo safe naman siya. Or you can check out my Facebook page dito, or just go to my bio and then search my name Kripo, and then andun yung link ng AFNA 9 PM sa mga tamad maghanap. Anyways, yun lang, as always, peace.